Iris 52. Hi, I am Mrs. Connie Antalanya Magnaya Chimentisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Connie Antalanya Magnaya Quezon the First. My pimple on this camera is being shows emphasized, and then it is looks such this. I am currently writing about my ideal wedding to Alex and Diamantisa Jr. ko, which is there is person that talks on my ear, getting of what is mine. So I am now on this. Tada! I am on shoe color, phantom of this notebook color. I think this notebook color. Yan. Should I say my motive? I not want to say my motive. I am pretty. Ganda ako. I just did exercise a while ago, and then they want me to capture a photo of myself as well as my tummy. Oh my god. As well as my tummy, but I not want it. Malinis ko! This is my pores. I will use cream so that it could be removed. But I want to use technology as well. I am pretty. Pretty is me. Maganda ako. What else could I write? Flower of them. Flower. Where is it? The flower. On the hair. Flower on the hair. No. Flower on the hair. When they rarampa, the flower is on their hair. No. Flower on the hair. What is hair salon? Flower on the hair. Such as ganyan. Something such that. Something such that. Flower on the hair. Election. Barangay election. Where? This where? This where? Wait lang. The flower. Ribbon. Lazy swing, nothing done. Playboard and the race where I feel shy at the moment because there is camera. Oh, the ribbon on the lace has flower on it. Then I will emphasize a flower on it. Si Alex lover ko, not from in this location. They is kadiri in here. What it is about this location, they tends to ruin of what is mine. So that to put me on hurting. Deep color. Hmm. Partner days. Partner. There is person that looking on my madam. I want on here. On here. Oh, on here. I want on here. Not on them. No bobo camouflage on my wedding because this is hurting me. Seriousness. The kabit is on high level, which is that person should be dead. Flower on here. Never let's go. Flower on here. Mm, I already say that on previous day. The next to the Nin and Ninong is sibling. know what? I will show this. It is annoy, irritate, bullying, pervertness, more on pervertness and then bullying. Wait, I'll just show it. I'm pretty. At the moment, they stopping me to breathe. So this is my first notebook. It is such this. And then such this. This is my first notebook of written at this one. April 7, 2023. I need to say it because when I write in here, it is behave. So it is such as I am on inside of my bedroom writing it, year 2023. And then when Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri noticed that I am writing, it starts in here. It starts in here. That is January 15, 2025. That girl is uses black magic. She knows my intelligence of what I talk. When it comes to number 15, that is 1,500 existence of paper money, peso bill. Peso bill is what I call. I am the person that thinks of it. What that person is doing is, that person is uses black magic so that myself be killed. Ganun, gawain niya. From University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri is that girl. Kabit. And then when akin lang Alex ko, lover ko Alex ko. The status of my relationship to Alex Jr. ko is healthy, meaning to say there is no kabit. But on my life, the kabit is Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. So what is that person is doing? I am already on this, this is first notebook, and then this is the second notebook. So what is being happening on my life, she tends to get it one by one so that she could get of my feeling. That is how criminal is that girl. I not know of why police is not doing anything, but that girl is copying myself. She has a backer on Bobo camouflage. And then all my thinking process of goodness on myself, she is throwing hatred, angriness, heart pain, illness. And then when that girl is know that I am writing, she is getting the energetic feeling. That is what that Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri doing. So ano, wala kayong gagawin. My intelligence is mine. I am from private school. Lover ko, Alex ko. When it comes to Alex Jr. ko, assurance of myself is Alex Jr. ko tends to think of how to remove the right eye of myself over in that person is copying me, the kabit. Love life ko, Alex Junior ko, I not want kabit on my life. Could you please help me? Because the situation of myself, they is tends to talk on my ear so that they could get of what is mine, even though what is mine is not onto them because they is bobo. Am I being understood? I am now on the portion of this one of has no bobo camouflage because of they is killing me. And then I notice my pimple mark. They tends to multiple count. Could you please help me? That girl has no scareness because of I not know. She is enjoys of copying, getting of what is mine. What it is already on about her is life existence is what she is getting on myself, and then myself is being killed. So she is the person who say isa buhay isa patay, over in she is the person that interfere on my life, over in I am 13-year-old lover of Alex Junior ko, 17 year already the lover relationship of me to Alex Junior ko. And then has one kid, one baby boy kid. Ganun na kalala kabit sa Pilipinas. When it comes onto intelligence, she is boastful because of she uses black magic and then getting of not onto her. And then this is the pinaka malupit. What she vary on a situation of intelligence is the face. Myself, they is putting multiple count on my cheek, and then I am writing, and then myself is being put on traumatization so that myself be on a situation of gurang. Do you know the meaning of gurang? The gurang is no fashion style on life, even though myself has fashion style. That is how killer is that girl. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. Akin lang titi ni Alex. Ganyan na ba kasama, Alex? Ginagawa mo. Maganda ako. That is why I need help talaga. What is the situation of those person that talks on my right eye is feeling high level. Oops. I am thinking if it is beyond the time already about getting of what is mine, and then they enjoys it, and then their life is on a situation of I not know. I took college degree 10 year. When it comes onto them 4 year, 6 year, 7 year, I not know. Is it the time so that I could get of what is mine? What do you think? Because myself is on a thinking process already of they is harasses me, tends to get of what is mine, and then they is on a situation of easy lifestyle of wherein could just get it because they uses black magic. Is it already the moment of myself to be on a situation of something level 2 of kaartehan? Myself is being put on low and then socialera. I not want this location even though my parent is get this house. I not know why. It is such a the word is such as blessing. They myself is being on situation of hurting and then I have no memory of we're in 20 yet 20s age that I should be go to mall store and then my cloth is fashionable. What they just doing is to get of what is mine. Please naman no kilos. Do a body movement. I am not talking on in here. I am talking to other country that pertains to myself in here. Myself is being slapped. The criminal, the camouflage Philippine, Bobo Philippine camouflage criminal killer here, Philippine, is on my right eye doing something eroticness that I not even like. Myself is not malibog. What I could feel when I do such this. Oh, it removes. It removes already. Previous day I noticed it is spicy. I am afraid maybe the baby girl of myself has to call that asthma. That is what is being put of the right eye, putting asthma to my baby girl. The reason because they is putting me on spiciness because of they is on a situation of on myself to lose my virginity. That is how girl gender nowadays here at Philippine country. That is how they is pervert. That is why I say pervert Philippine. They is putting me on spiciness. During that moment, Precious Crucendico, it is year 2023. Day is on letter C, letter H, letter A, letter L, letter L, letter E, letter N, letter G, letter E. Because of, I not know, college degree. Focus is me. I not know how to use black magic. Maganda ako, I'm pretty. It is good if it is flower on here. Here. No description. It is such as that girl, Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri is it on the extraction of feeling. She uses black magic so that to peking enjoyment, fake enjoyment, such that. What is being put on my right eye is BFG Lolo. And then the kabit says that's Yuya Kadiri. I am lover of Alex ko. I am not like other person. My face, my face suddenly is tends to smaller. Excuse me, lover ko, Alex ko. My first kiss is Alex ko. I not touch other lip. Ew. The problem is on the right eye, they tends to do of such that of which is they uses black magic. Please naman no help because they is killing me. I am clean person. What they is dirty person. They is the person that is dirty. I am on a situation of eagerness is the killer to kills me. I not want this location, but person they is. There is person here at New Lower Bikutan that tends to ruin me when it comes to Cinderella. That is how pervert the person that I not want them. They is just targeting my wedding. They is targeting my wedding of which is they is not pertains about it. My life, I should be with Alex Jr. ko and doing something such as moment. And then what they're putting me on a situation is talking and then they just getting of what is mine. Kasal kami ni Alex since high school. Why I could feel that this sofa is not on my parent? I don't know. Limit ko. And then, I am pretty. I not know the reason, but I want to use technology about in here. When I say it, suddenly on the right eye it is being removed, the pressing of such this. So cream is what will I put? Oh, it is being returned. What is mine? Cream is what I want to put on my face. Nagpolvo kaya ako? Polvo. Oh wait, I will put some this. It smells good. Holland lover ni Alex ko. But that is true. Year 2023, I could feel of getting of what is mine. And then year 2023, on the right eye of myself, this right eye, it says, my feeling for Alex Jr. ko is being put on a kid. On a kid. And then that kid is being dead. And then the kabit is blaming me. Nakakaloka. Married kami ni Alex. Alex Jr. ko is as well once on his own self being virgin, went to on a wedding day. That is what Alex Jr. ko wants as well on his life. So why myself is being put of such as talking about oops about I will write what I want to write. Being put about talking on negativity. Oh, that is year 2021. Angel Locsin is putting me negativity, such as negativity vibes. And then what is my the life of myself year 2022 is smashes of smash slapping face, slapping ear. There's a black magic. Kasal kami ni Alex. Negativity such as wait. Negativity such as I am doing in here. I am doing of such this situation. And then on my right side, those I not doing. Something such that. Especially on thinking process. In here, I am thinking only of what is I like, wants, happy moment, lifestyle, and then in here, what is being put is such as killing myself, suicidal thought is more on, ganun. Especially when it comes on to nakakadiri. That is why my word is nakakadiri because what is being put on myself is such as illness. Ganon. Illness about some mm, for instance is I am loyal person to Alex ko and then what is being doing on the right eye of myself is putting me on rando ay nauwan talaga they is pervert talaga I not want to I not want them nandidiri ako. The problem is they is putting me on a situation of their dirtiness even though myself is clean and then when I face them this is already year 2025 it is such as they is on strategy that is what is being flow on my right eye their strategy is to such as ganun pa oh something such that oh my god my face when I'm doing such that and then something such that heart pain illness is what they're putting on myself. Please help me. Married kami ni Alex. And then what is just being say of the doctor, myself is sensitive. And then what it is being doing, the kabit number 2 on the right eye is targeting it. So that myself be killed, be dead. That is how killer is kabit number 2. And then at the moment, myself is on heart pain illness because myself is being killed. What about Alex Jr. ko? Those person that is killing him. Ano yun? Ramdam din niya? So that he knows. Burden. Is that my burden? Being a girl gender? Because kabit number 2 has a backer eh. Who knows? Maybe the opposite girl gender that killing Alex Jr. ko is backer of kabit. What? Myself is slapping such this. Sometimes. And then sometimes such this. And then, yan. Wala pa rin kikilos. What count already is the backer of Kabit here at Taguig City. They is zombie. Wala pa rin. Barangay Tanod is doing something. Lover ko, Alex ko. Akin lang, Alex ko. Truthfulness is what I say. I am descriptive. Now, I am afraid of what is the condition of Alex Jr. ko. Zombie day is on Barangay Pinagsama, I cite them. Oh, especially on SM Aura, during that moment, they is such a zombie. And then, what it is about is uh, Mobile Legends. No. Akin lang, Alex ko. But person be dead. I will talk. Flower on here. I will just finish it. I want gift. I will put it in here. At the moment I talk, the kabit is tends to put on other talking so that they could not be blamed. Yung kabit talaga, napakapukpok. Seryosong seryoso. The Bobo Philippine camouflage criminal killer is Pokpok, GRO, Bobo, Kadiri. My God, first kiss ko, Alex ko, not other person. They is ruining me. Please help me naman, oh. Ang sakit-sakit na sa dibdib nung ginagawa nila. My status during yung 2017 is so... my mouth is never been touched of something. Alex, tao din ako. Ang laki na ng pambabastos sa buhay ko. And then what they're doing is dramatic pa rin. I am not dramatic that they is clingy, that they not even that they is not part of my life, they is not part of my socialization. Alex, at the moment they is ruining my moment of writing. Myself, it should be happy talking. Please naman, no. If that Bobo camouflage is slash head, sana mangyari na agad-agaran. Napakatindi naman ng criminality niyan. Pero umayos ko, isa lang ibigin ko. I am pretty. I am not artista. Please kill them. understood. So that kid that is will be about there is a girl gender that is being killed because of the parent is talking on my ear, and then that girl gender is clinging to my baby. That person is being dead, and then at the moment it is not yet happens, the parent knows about it of such as they is killing me. That is during year 2023. Seriousness, Alex. I already say of the flow of what is happening on myself 2017, 2018, 2019. They is killing me talaga. I will continue on talking so that myself be understood. And then when I talk about the year, could it be not be get of that kabit number to my feeling, because she is uses that feeling so that to sustain about her basic, about her needs, that it is my feeling. Diyos ko, babae ako, myself is being put onto to produce feeling. Akin lang, Alex ko. Danica Catalanya Aguilar is on focus, looking. Ano kayang ginagawa mo, Alex? Not one in here. Why it is not similar? No, dark portion. My phone is 5,000, 5,000 to 7,000 only. Timid ka. It is not dark. It is such as what is dark portion? Hmm. One of enjoyment on life is when it comes onto life, no interfere. Patayin talaga sila. Kill them. It's the solution. Mary this me Alex ko. Oh, I not watch kissing. On the right eye early in the morning they is putting it of that bubo camouflage. I not even want it. Nakakadiri. Here na on lover.